Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things organization and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, kitchen organization tips, how to optimize your cooking space. If you're like me, you know that a cluttered kitchen can really put a damper on your culinary adventures. But have no fear, I've got some fantastic tips to help you optimize your cooking space and turn it into a chef's paradise. If you are liking this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you stay in the loop with any future episodes. So let's get to it! Tip number 1. Invest in clear labeled containers. Not only do they keep your ingredients fresh by sealing out moisture and air, but they also allow you to see exactly what you have on hand. No more rummaging through the pantry searching for that elusive bag of rice. When it comes to storing dry goods like rice, pasta, and flour, clear containers are your best friend. And don't forget the labels! Labeling your containers not only adds a touch of organization, but also ensures you never confuse sugar with salt again. Tip number 2. Maximize cabinet space with shelf risers and organizers. By utilizing vertical space, you can fit more pots, pans, and dishes without the clutter. Plus, everything is easily accessible when you need it most. Cabinets are notorious for becoming black holes where pots and pans go to disappear. But with the right organizers, you can make the most out of every inch of space. Shelf risers are perfect for doubling your storage capacity by creating additional tiers within your cabinets. This means you can store smaller items like plates and bowls on the top shelf, while larger items like pots and pans sit comfortably below. And don't forget about cabinet door organizers. These handy contraptions can hold everything from spices to cleaning supplies, keeping them within arm's reach without cluttering up your precious counter space. Tip number 3. Get that bulky knife block off of the counter. It's always in the way, and knife blocks are not very sanitary. Install a magnetic knife strip instead. Not only does it keep your knives organized and within reach, but it also adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen decor. It makes for less clutter on the counter, and it's far more sanitary than a knife block. Traditional knife blocks can often leave your blades dull from constantly rubbing against other utensils. But with a magnetic knife strip, you can safely and securely store your knives out of the way while still keeping them easily accessible. Simply mount the strip on your wall or cabinet, and voila! Your knives are neatly organized and ready for action whenever you need them. Tip number 4. Keep your utensils in check with drawer dividers. No more tangled mess of spatulas, potato mashers, and pizza cutters. With dividers, every utensil has its own designated spot, making meal prep a breeze. We've all been there, digging through a tangled mess of spatulas, whisks, and serving spoons just to find a simple measuring cup. Not to worry, drawer dividers are here to save the day. These handy organizers allow you to separate your utensils into neat little compartments, making it easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. Plus, they prevent your utensils from jostling around and getting damaged, keeping them in pristine condition for years to come. But wait, I promised you a bonus tip, didn't I? Here it is! Designate a prep zone in your kitchen. This could be a section of your countertop or a specific area where you do all your chopping, slicing, and dicing. Not only does it streamline your cooking process, but it also keeps the rest of your kitchen clutter-free. Click here to see more kitchen organization tips. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future organization tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.